In today's video, we will know about proteins, how they work and what are their role in our life. When you think of proteins, you might picture athletes, bodybuilders, or fitness enthusiasts. But did you know that proteins are an essential part of our everyday diet and are critical for our overall health and well-being? Cut to a shot of a plate of food with a variety of protein sources on it. Proteins are one of the 3 macronutrients that our bodies need to function properly, along with carbohydrates and fats. They play a crucial role in building, maintaining, and repairing tissues and cells in our bodies. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of life. There are 20 different types of amino acids, and they can be arranged in an almost infinite number of ways to create different types of proteins. Protein is found in a wide variety of foods, including meat, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, nuts, and seeds. When we eat protein, our digestive system breaks it down into its individual amino acids, which are then used by our bodies to build and repair tissues and cells. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, protein is particularly important because it helps to build and repair muscles that are damaged during exercise. But proteins have many other important roles in our bodies. For example, enzymes are specialized proteins that catalyze chemical reactions in our bodies. Hormones are also proteins that act as messengers, telling our cells what to do. It's important to eat a varied and balanced diet to ensure that you're getting enough of all the essential amino acids. Many people choose to supplement their diets with protein bars, shakes, or powders, but it's important to remember that these are just supplements, and it's best to get your protein from whole foods whenever possible. Narrator: so whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who wants to stay healthy, remember that protein is an essential part of your diet and plays a critical role in keeping your body functioning at its best.